Hi guys, this is the last example in your notes from lesson 3.2. And I just kind of wanted to have a video of this one up there. I know some people had some trouble with it. When you're asked to simplify something like this, you're still technically following the order of operations, which means please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. But part of the confusion, I think, on this example is that you have multiple sets of parentheses or grouping symbols. When that happens, you generally start from the inside and work your way out. So for example, I'm going to look at this 2x cubed raised to the third power and work on that first. 2x cubed, since it's parentheses, everything in parentheses gets raised to this third power right here. So what that means is that 2 gets raised to the third power, and that's why you see it right here. And then x to the third gets raised to the third power, but because it's a power to a power, the rule there is to multiply the exponents. And that means that 3 times 3 will give me this 9 power here in the second step. Once we're there, we'll just simplify a little bit. 2 to the third power is the same as 2 times 2 times 2, which of course gives me this 8 right here. Just everything else stayed the same. Once I'm at this step, you have to remember that x, no exponent there, it's implied to be a 1. So the first times the ninth, that's the multiplication of like bases, and what you do there is you add those exponents. So 9 plus 1 will give me this 10 power. And as indicated over here, I reminded you that that power is a 1 in this blue step here. Once you're at this step, I have parentheses and a power outside the parentheses, so that means everything inside the parentheses gets raised to this third power. So for us, that means 8 raised to the third power. That's why you see it. Again, x to the 10th raised to the third power, and we have a power times a power, which means multiply those exponents where the 30 comes from. And then finally, our last step, we have to raise 8 to the third power, which is 8 times 8 times 8. And when you do that math, you should receive 512 as your answer. The x to the 30th comes down, and this right here is your final answer.